Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shadrach, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to own for yourself a VTU application that will enable you to start VTU business in Nigeria. Now, this particular VTU script is powered by VMBase, which of course is one of the latest application we have on the market. So VMBs has been launched, and most of you that grab the early launch offer will always appreciate the fact that the solution meets the standard. Okay, so we are looking at how to actually own a V2 application that will enable you to even store it on your own server and then deploy it in 10 minutes. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at briefly on this presentation. My name is Shadrach, and this is Legica Business TV. On this channel, what we do is to train on how to make money via cryptocurrency trading, V2 app technology, mobile app development, online business in general. So we cover a lot of trainings that cut across how to actually start online business in Nigeria. Do me a favor by subscribing to the channel, like and share this video. We're actually hitting to 2,000 subscribers, and we have a lot of trainings. So go through the playlist to actually go through all the whole videos we have on the channel and take action in any of the videos we have made in the past, and also the services we have also showcased on the channel. Because one thing about the whole thing is that, okay, no matter how you watch a training video like this without you actually what's called uh, doing the action, there's no way you can actually begin to change your financial what's called life. Okay, so I would say that let's continue in the video properly. So VMBS is like a V2 web application that we deployed last month. And we are now looking at, okay, most people that owns the solution, they're actually demanding 4K. So can I get the script of this application? Haven't seen how it works. So we are going to be looking at how to get the script. Okay, at the moment of recording this training, there is no save page available for the script yet. It's just the other page that is available. Well, let me show you what I mean by save page. If you click on the order now, that's for those of you that don't want to get the script, just want to get the reseller system built on our server and then get started with the business. So you can actually click on that reseller. When you click on reseller, you're able to you see all the information you need to understand about how to order for the reseller system. But that's not what we are doing on this video. What we are doing in this video is that, okay, you're a developer or someone that actually have interest on having the application reside on your own server. You don't necessarily want us to build the application for you on our own server. You just want it to be on your own server. That is what this video is all about. Okay, so quickly, how does it really works? It's very simple. Let me show you an example. This is actually v2app.com.ng. This is one of the primary sites that we usually use for demonstrating how the application look like. So when you go to v2app.com.ng, you can sign up, log in, or register to see how the application looks like. Because one of the things that we noticed recently, that most people that goes to online to search for V2 business, they will be able to actually dabble into wrong hands. And when they must have people that has frauded them, they will come back and begin to ask us, okay, are you people legit? Are you people reliable? Mind you that we are the people that started this business way back 2010. Okay, so I am the founding father of V2 business in Nigeria. So if not for any other thing, this YouTube channel, which you are seeing here, legica Business TV, is over 5 years old. So what are we saying here? We are saying here that whatever we are giving you on any videos is what you are going to get as a result of what you are paying for. Okay, be it you want to start a reseller with us, as like want to own a V2 website with us, like on a reseller based on VMB's business. That is what you are going to get. Whatever we describe on this page is what you are going to get. So go on and make your payment. Most of you that are asking, okay, I want to come and see you in the office. Okay, for instance, someone goes to online and that person was frauded by somebody else. Then he now see us. That is now the time he now know that he want to come and see our address or maybe office. But then the first people that actually frauded you, let me put it in that regard, you didn't care to know whether they have face. Okay, how do you vet a business? You vet it by, okay, what are the value that people have given to you on the industry? For instance, we are giving a lot of values on this business. Okay, imagine having over 500 360 videos. So what does it mean? It means that we know what we are doing. So don't come to DM and begin to say, are you people legit? We are legit. Okay, we have VTU businesses, a lot of solutions, and we're a registered company by the CAC. So you shouldn't be doubting or anything at all about our business. Okay, so you can go on to order for either reseller that will be linked in the description of this video, or you want to also own this script, just like what we want to give you as a case study, as like we want to give you out at a very free and cheap, affordable price. Okay, imagine that. Remember, this is the end of the year, and we want to actually give everybody benefit of that. So I want to show you what example as how a V2 website looks like. Okay, this v2app.com.ng. So if you come here, you can register or log in. But then let's just go through it. You can see how classic and neat this solution looks like. So those of you that are ordering for reseller solution, like you want to pick a reseller package based on what we are saying, this is how your own website may look like. Okay, so that because people don't understand what is a reseller website, how does it really look like, I'm just showing you in this video. So but then I want to show you something. I'm logged in into an account here. You can see that in this particular account, you can see that everything here is very classic, guys. It's very classic. You can virtually buy products in real time. As in, we are looking at, okay, this particular application which you are seeing on your screen right now, you want to own it. You want it to be on your server. You want to control it. That's exactly what we are trying to do here. So for instance, before I go show you how to get that script, this application, let me actually buy product to see that everything is working in real time, because most people will go and sell a script that is not working. Our main emphasis on most of our training or our solution is the functionality, not even the UI. Okay, so right now I'm buying airtime, and you can see that I'm trying to purchase airtime on this application. You can register, sign up, and once you sign up, request for wallet funding, load money into your account, and then make purchases to know that everything is working. So we don't give you something that can never work for you. That is just the beauty of it. You can see that this before even you do once the transaction has finished processing, you have received the value for your purchase. So before you go on to buy any solution out there in the internet, make sure you test that solution. Don't just vet with the what's the person's what's it called? Maybe someone, that person is just telling you this is gonna work for you. It's gonna do like this. At the end of the day, when you now buy it, it's not working based on what they said. So I'm buying at MTN SME. Okay, so because I don't have any other network, but if you have any other network, you can actually buy any other network, right? So you can see how everything is going faster, right? So everything is happening and instantly. Okay, you can actually buy data. You can send. You can pay for bills. You can pay for utility bills. You can pay for bulk SMS. As you are buying, it is delivering instantly. You can see the results. Everything is happening simultaneously. So it's not like maybe all these solution that you see there, they will tell you, okay, this thing is working, but at the same time, when you get the solution, it is not working. Okay, so what else am I going to demonstrate here? Bulk SMS. We can't say something that is not working. That's just a simple truth. And don't come to our DM and begin to say, okay, are you people, are you legit? We are. Okay, hold us by responsible for this and this video. If you buy any of our solution, either a reseller or you opt in for getting the application and it didn't work out the way we are describing or what you are seeing in the screen right now, just hold us responsible. Okay. Okay, for instance, say buy VTU multi purpose business solution script, right? It can be a message. Then you have to put this is going to be the time at which you want this message to deliver. Okay, so you select the schedule hour, so just put it just 0. Okay, so you can schedule message, but you can just put it at this. So you can see it's just one number, and you can see the amount is going to be charged. So in your own application, you can actually control all these parameters, right? So for instance, I want to add more numbers to this. I can easily add it. The system will automatically calculate the descending amounts. Okay, you can also add more numbers. That is just the simple truth about it. The solution is top notch, guys. So for instance, I'm just going to put in my security fee. Everything is here is happening on automation. So what are you waiting for? I want to show you that how to get that particular application that will deploy. Remember, this is actually the beginning of the new year, and I want you to get started in a clean ground. Don't waste a time describe okay, analysis of something like this. Okay, too much of analysis will lead to paralysis. So you can see everything is successful here. We want to get this script, right? That's what we want to do on this. But I can't just go and show you how to get a script without even showing you that this script is working. Most solutions out there, they will tell you that this thing is working. They will just be showing UI, right? They will just be showing you okay how it looks like, but they will never buy products. You can see that as I'm buying products, the system is actually debiting me in real time. The solution supports so many things, supports how you all these solution, all these what's called the payment is all working on automation in this solution. So that's just the simple truth about it. So if you also come down here, you can see upgrade levels. People can upgrade from one level to another, right? So there is also a referral program on this application. So you can also, people can request for VTU application setup system on their dashboard, right? This solution is top notch, guys. This solution is top notch. Okay, so people can also fund money through, I'm going to show you on the back end, because we can't say something that you cannot be confident. That's just the simple truth. Here, if someone click on Fund Wallet, it supports both Paystack, Monify, but I'm going to show you that. So once you activate Paystack or Monify, for instance, the account number is going to be displaying here, right? So these are things that this solution comes with. Then if you come here, you may ask yourself, okay, how do I get this solution? That's the question you may ask yourself. It's very simple. To get the solution, you simply go to the link on the description of this video or go to client.vmbees.com.ng. Once you are here, you will see that there is another tab which is called V2 multipurpose script, right? So when you click on this, you can browse the product to see the category. I'm going to give the link in the description of this video. So when you browse the product, you're going to see the category. At the moment, why we say at the moment, because the prices may go down or come up. So always mark that. Okay, so you shouldn't come and say, okay, Cedric, I watched your video when this price was like this. Why is it like this now? Remember, I make every disclaimer in most of our videos that the prices you are seeing that moment is what we are selling at that moment. Okay, we don't know you why setting up these prices. So you shouldn't come and say, okay, why is the price high or low? Because people always they will always lament when the price is high, but they will not lament when it is low. Right now, the price of this solution is at a giveaway, at zero cost. Imagine getting a solution like this with as little as 25,000 naira. Imagine getting something that looks classic and sophisticated. Who does that in any way? Okay, so imagine getting something like this at rate of 25K to be deployed on your server, and you can be able to build unlimited VTU websites. So this is the amount at the moment. Okay, so this price may go as high as 100,000, 200,000 in the near future. So grab this offer right now. So let me just quickly give you a description of each of the packages. Now, this solution can be worked on any server, but then we do recommend server, which of course, when you make your payment, we are going to show you the server you are going to be using, which is very flexible instead of you battling around the servers. But then if you have a good servers that is workable, like for mostly foreign server, not local server, it will work on it, right? So you can see PHP-based application, then auto reverse are enabled. If there is a network issue, the system will not even recharge the product, so that it shouldn't be debiting the user and not giving the value to the recipient. Okay, real-time server response, of course, that's it. Then this particular first one supports only Paystack Flutterwave payment gateway. Mark it. Okay, so you shouldn't pay for this, and then expect feature on this. Then see single V2 API integrated, so you can only use one API here. Okay, you can sell all the services listed here. Okay, cheapest products, of course, the what's called the services on the API is 100% cheap, so rest be assured of that. Okay, so if you also go to the second one, you will see this one is a back-end application. It's a back-end application we are giving you. We are not giving you front-end, so you should be able to know what is different between each of them. Like now, this is front-end application, right? This is landing page. Let's call it landing page here. In this particular one, which you are seeing here, there's no front end in this one, just the back end that we are giving you. Okay, so always take note of that. So if you come to the second one, which is VTU Proposed Reseller Script Pro, okay, you can see the price at the moment is 35K, very cheap. Okay, it's a giveaway price. Don't joke with this. Okay, go grab this solution right now. So you can see the features this particular one have. It has also single API, but then it supports Modify, okay, Paystack, Flutterwave, payment gateway. So you can see the difference between this, and this. So it's not the same thing. Okay, you can see each user will have their own virtual account. Did you get it now? Then bank account for wallet funding. Okay, so you can see the difference between the first one and the second one. So you should be able to know the one you want to go for. Okay, at the moment the prices are very cheap. So you can see it's a back end application. Okay, so everything here, there's going to be a training just like what you're watching right now. There's going to be a training on how to actually deploy the solution on your server. So this last one here is the mega package, which is the one of the master reseller script. Of course, this one is mega and it is 480K at the moment. Now you can see the features it has. Okay, you have a master reseller and also a client application. And not only that, it will also have a billing application, just the way it is on VMBs. Imagine getting solution that looks like VMBs. So that's, if that is interesting, you have a landing page where you can actually showcase that you're actually a vast provider. Okay, go through most of the video we have posted on the channel to understand the VTU methodologies when I talk about vast. Okay, so you're going to get something similar like this on the last package. You are going to get a billing application whereby people can actually order, search for domain, and also create order. Just like what you are seeing here, you are going to get something like this. So that's why the amount seems to be on the high side. Okay, you are going to get a client application, a billing application, a landing page for sales of the application. So this is, and it also supports multiple API switch on this particular package. So these are things that differentiate each of the packages. You can see it here, multiple API switch. So I'm trying to, and also support other things that are very vast. So I just want to show you all the features, so you should be able to know what you are getting even before you make your payment. So most of you that will be able to say, oh, you have showed me all this, but then let me show you something so that you're able to, what's called, I'm going to just show you a few things. Now, most of you know what is called Modify, right? So I'm going to show you how this solution works as in back end. How does it look like in a back end? So if you look here, you see that this is actually the back end of VTU app. I'm just like doing everything raw here. So if you're able to say, okay, these guys, they know what they are doing. So you can see here that modified total customer deposit is this. I just like telling you how the application looks like. So it support, these are the payment gateway support. So you shouldn't be saying that these people are just writing something on the paper. No. We are not. Okay. So if you come here to site setting, let me show you something. If you come to payment method, you can see here that these are all the payment gateway that is being supported on the application. You can see modify in live. You can see you can enable or disable anyone. So you shouldn't say that this thing is not working. Everything here is actually working. You can see all the services on automation. So you shouldn't be able to say, why is this in what's it called? What is happening? What is happening? Everything here is on automation. So you can see all the transaction we did. Of course, we are the time I buy, everything is reporting for you as an admin, right? So you can see everything is reported. So what are you waiting for? Go on and grab this solution. Okay, so there's going to be a line on the description of this where you can actually DM us on WhatsApp. Okay, so you can actually request for this solution, but then go on to make an order for this solution. How do you order? It's very simple. All you have to do is to click on order. For instance, I want to order for this first package. Just click on order. With as little as 25K, you can just order for this. Just click on checkout. Okay, there is no domain required because this one is just like on a normal, okay, we are just buying application. So just fill up this form, fill all the form here, fill your first name, your last name. Once you fill all your form, there is going to be a bank to pay. That bank is Access Bank, Unique Recharge Solution. Once you make your payments, then DM us on WhatsApp, okay? So this, you'll be sent the application. The application will be sent to you automatically by any of our team member, which is we're always online 247 to attend to you anytime you need any of our help, right? So that's how to place order. Just go on to make your order, either to buy the first one or the second one or the last one. Each of them are all okay. So there is no particular package that you may think, okay, this one is more preferable more than the other one. For those of you that are not developers, you just want to get application, you want to just build a VT website, you just want us to build a VT website based on reseller level, as like want us to do everything for you, done for you system, then there is a package for you, which I want to show you briefly. Just like what you have watched on this training, you can see how I was able to buy products in real time. Imagine getting the sophisticated, classy looking website like this without lifting a finger. If that is what interests you, just go here and choose any of these V2 pattern setup solution. It is 100% cheap now. You can see it now. The first one here is as little as 20 something thousand, 21,000. You are going to get, you are in business. So this second one here is 50 something thousand. So it all goes down to the one of you kind of see the one of 95k. You can see the one of 185k. So you can see the one of 350k. You can see the one of 872k. So each of these solutions are top notch, guys. Go through the description of the packages to see the features you are going to enjoy for getting it. So, but then if you want to get the solution, just like what I said, I'm talking about the application itself to deploy on your server, then go for the VTU multiple script. This script is top notch, just like what you see here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and take action on this video by getting any of these solutions, because this solution you are seeing here may not last. And I'm talking about the price. Even making it public offering is may not last. So go grab it right now and then thank me later.